Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle a pesky problem involving the deletion of a shortcut file in Windows. The issue at hand revolves around a file named immersivecontrolpanel.lnk, which is a shortcut to the Windows control panel. Despite numerous attempts to delete it using cmd or PowerShell, our user finds themselves hitting a wall. Even the classic Shift+Delete method is failing to permanently remove the file, with it stubbornly reappearing upon folder refresh. Frustrating, right? So, let's dive into the solution that cracked the case wide open. By identifying the processes that were accessing the file, our user was able to pinpoint the dependencies causing the deletion roadblock. Through a bit of sleuthing in a hex editor, they uncovered key information that shed light on the culprits behind the file's stubborn persistence. The critical pieces of the puzzle were identified as Windows.immersivecontrolpanel_CW5 in1H2 Microsoft.Windows.immersivecontrolpanel %window%\immersivecontrolpanel Windows.immersivecontrolpanel_CW5 in1H2 and Windows.immersivecontrolpanel_10.0.2.1000_neutral_CW5 in1H2. Armed with this knowledge, our user embarked on a journey to resolve the underlying issues causing the file deletion dilemma. In conclusion, sometimes the path to solving a problem isn't a straightforward one. By delving into the intricacies of file dependencies and processes, our user was able to overcome a seemingly insurmountable obstacle. If you ever find yourself facing a similar challenge, remember to dig deep, stay persistent, and seek out those hidden clues that might just unlock the solution. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Stay tech savvy, folks.